Hello, welcome. Today's our topic is adverb and its types. In today's topic, we will see definition of adverb, kinds of adverb and its definition. So, let us begin. Adverb. An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. A word which is used to describe or modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb itself is called adverb. What are the example? The Millennium Park is quite nice for outings. In this sentence, quite is a adverb. Raju sang rather melodiously at the party. Rather is a adverb in the sentence. Sunidhi rarely makes a mistake. Here, rarely is a adverb. The fruit drink was quite refreshing. Here, quite is a adverb. In above sentences, quite, rather, rarely and quite itself are the adverbs. Types of adverbs. Mainly there are 9 types of adverbs. What are they? Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency, relative adverb, interrogative adverb, exclamatory adverb, adverb of affirmation and negation. Let us see the definition of one by one with its example. First one is our adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how or in what manner an action is done. It answers the question how. Adverb of manner mainly denotes the manner of an action. It also answers to the question how, which means how the action is done, in what manner action is done. Let us see the example. The acrobat jumped carefully. Here we will ask question how the acrobat jumped, then answer will be carefully. So in this sentence carefully is a adverb. Next one is Rohan carved the piece of wood skillfully. Here skillfully is the adverb of manner because it answers to the question how. An adverb of manner is usually placed after the verb. If a sentence has a direct object, then it is placed after it. What are the example? The stream followed rapidly. Rapidly is the adverb of manner in the sentence. Next one is the chef sliced the cucumber carefully. Here verb is sliced, direct object is cucumber and adverb of manner is carefully. If there is an auxiliary verb which means helping verb like is, was, were in the sentence, the adverb can be placed between main verb and the auxiliary verb. What are the example? John is carefully driving his car. Here is auxiliary verb, driving is main verb and in between both carefully is the adverb of manner. Joseph was excitedly watching the match. Here was is auxiliary verb, watching is the main verb and in between both excitedly is the adverb of manner. Next one is adverb of place. Adverb of place tell us where or at what place an action took place. An adverb of place answers the question where. Mainly the adverb of place answers to the question where. Let us understand through example. The teacher looked for Anu everywhere. Here everywhere is the adverb of place. Next example is they were going out. In both the sentences everywhere and out are adverb of place. Adverb of place are generally placed after the verb or after the object if there is one in the sentence. Next one is adverb of time. Adverb of time indicate the time of action and answer the question when, which means it is generally used to indicate the time. What are the example? The conference began early. Here early is the adverb of time because it answers to the question when. Next example is she will come tomorrow. Tomorrow is the adverb of time in the sentence. Here early and tomorrow are adverb of time. Some other adverb of time are yesterday, today, later, afterwards, recently, nowadays, late, soon, till and yet. These are the adverb of time. A group of words also do the work of adverb are called adverb of phrases of time. What are the example? She replied at once. Here at once is the phrase and it is the adverb of time. They have not reached till now. Till now is the phrase here in the sentence and also the adverb of time. Adverb of time are placed either in the beginning or at the end of the sentence. Let us understand through example. Recently I spoke to her. I spoke to her recently. The meaning of the both sentences are the same, but in the first one adverb is used at the beginning of the sentence, whereas in the second sentence adverb is used at the end of the sentence. Sometimes adverb of time can be used in the middle after the first auxiliary verb. Let us understand through example. He will soon be given a trophy. Here will is the auxiliary verb or the helping verb and soon is the adverb of time. Next example is she will now be called to the office. Here will is the auxiliary verb whereas now is the adverb of time which is used after the auxiliary verb. These were the example of adverb of time. In today's topic we have seen adverb of manner, adverb of place and adverb of time. In coming next session we will see rest kinds of adverb with its definition. वीडियो इंफॉर्मेटिव लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।